Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and making the initial connection. Install the latest SSMS build, verify your SQL Server instance name, and whether you use Windows or SQL authentication. Once done, open SSMS and click Connect. Type the server name and provide credentials. Make sure to choose the correct authentication mode. If you need a specific port, append a comma and the port number. This gets you directly into Object Explorer, where the actionable work begins. Next, focus on managing databases and running queries. Expand Object Explorer and inspect databases, security, and server objects to understand structure. Right-click a database for tasks like backup, restore, or generate scripts. Use these for exports or migrations. For changes, open New Query, set the database context with use, then run TSQL. Monitor the Messages and Execution Plan tabs to validate performance. Use transactions for multi-step changes and commit only when tests pass, so you avoid partial updates. Finish by stabilizing your environment and preparing for recovery. Save and version control important TSQL scripts, create maintenance plans, and schedule regular backups using SQL Server Agent. Once done, verify backups and check job history. If something goes wrong, consult SQL Server and Windows error logs, then use Activity Monitor or SB-Who2 to find blocking or long-running queries. Make sure to isolate the offending session before killing it. This avoids cascading rollbacks and data inconsistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.